your bouncer? You kicking your legs? You kicking your legs? Yeah? Yeah. Is that fun? Is that a fun bouncer? Yeah? You smile for mommy? Oh, you have a little bit of pukey on you, honey. You pukey. Oh, you're kicking your legs. You kick your legs in the air. Legs in the air. Ah ha ha ha. That's funny. Yes. Dada's bouncing for you. You're bouncing a little too much, Dada. Smiley boy. Smiley boy, Aiden. Yes, that's my smiley boy. You're a good boy. You like your bouncer a lot. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Okay, play with your bouncer. Yay. You put your legs in the air? Put one leg in the air. Ah, you're kicking. He likes kicking. He does that a lot. He likes doing that more than tummy time, that's for sure. He doesn't like tummy time at all. But he likes kicking the legs in the air. That's right, Aiden. That's right, my little smushy. Smushy. Hey, Smushy. Okay, we're going to sign off now. And say bye-bye, baby boy. Say bye. Can you smile one more time for Mommy? Can you smile? You smiley boy? No? No? Okay. Oh, there we go. Yay! Alright, goodbye. We're happy and we know it, and we really want to show it. Kick your feet. Bye-bye.